Our tragic war has ravaged Cybertron.
It is a necessary war to return us to glory.
The Autobots will never sacrifice freedom.
The Decepticons will bring this world to order!
Our defeat would mean the end of everything.
My victory will mark a brilliant new beginning!
One shall stand.
One shall fall. Finish it! The Omega Key is mine! The core of Cybertron is mine!
Your spies were misinformed, Megatron. That device only activates the key to the core. But don't worry, the Omega Key will come to you.
Omega activated. Power optimal. Mission: destroy Megatron.
Zeta Prime is conquered, but the device Megatron believed to be the Omega Key simply activated the key, Omega Supreme. Megatron quickly discovers he can use the device to track Omega Supreme and races above the skies of Iacon in pursuit of his quarry.
Maintain this heading. The device shows the Omega Key is directly ahead.
I thought Zeta said it was gonna come to us!
We are being intercepted.
It's coming right at us!
Stay your course!
Ah! We're gonna die!
Turn around and... where did it go?
He's gone! What is this guy? You think he knows about the Omega Key?
No breakdown. He is the Omega Key. Identity: Omega Supreme. Enemy status: terminated.
What are we gonna do now, Megatron?
Shut up! This merely modifies my plan. If Omega Supreme is the key, then I shall force him to open the planet's core.
Megatron! I watched you crash and burn!
Enough! Meet us at the bridge! Identification. Decepticons. Action. Terminate. Take cover! He's coming! I can't leave! Help us! Megatron!
Our weapons are ineffective.
We've gotta get out of here!
Stand your ground, Decepticons! Destroy the bridge supports! We can salvage the wreckage for what we need. Target acquired. Mission: destroy. Fall back! Quickly!
Megatron?
During our approach to the sector, my scanners detected iron cannons near the top of the chasm wall.
Supreme up there, and use the Autobot guns against him.
I don't like it. It's too quiet. Why the ceasefire?
Megatron. I'm receiving a Decepticon transmission.
Your leader!
Starscream, you half-wit! I still function! A fact you shall regret when I choke the life out of you! Now, I order you to deploy ships for immediate evacuation!
Starscream cannot hear you, Megatron. All communication to the surface has been jammed.
Let's head for that lift before that idiot Starscream causes irreparable harm.
Here he comes!
Keep moving, Decepticons. We need to reach that lift. Starscream, come in. This is Megatron.
There is too much interference. We must move higher to relay your signal.
Can this feeble Autobot mechanism not move any faster? It appears we've lost that dull-witted brute Omega Supreme. Not that he stood a chance against my intellect.
Megatron?
Target reacquired. Weapons engaging.
Wow, he looks really angry.
Target identification. Megatron, Decepticon leader. Recommendation, complete termination.
You think you can destroy me, Omega Supreme? You think you can destroy Megatron?
You're still alive?
Open fire on the emergency locks! Destroy them!
Megatron, all due respect. But are you crazy? If we go out there, he'll melt us into scrap.
Would you rather face his wrath or mine? Now jump!
You're still functional. Thank
Decepticons located.
Stop whining and start shooting down!
Omega Supreme's right on our tails! There's gotta be some way to shake him!
Move back inside! Perhaps we can avoid Omega's tracking systems.
Another elevator? I don't know. The last one didn't work out so well.
Do not test me, Breakdown.
We're pinned down!
Starscream, do you read me?
Megatron, you're alive?
Spare me your theatrics. I need immediate air support. Attack Omega Supreme!
New targets acquired. Initiating pursuit.
There! Omega Supreme is distracted! Attack the Autobots! I have no patience for them!
You think he survived all that?
As long as there is enough left to open the Omega Gate, I care not.
Megatron? I don't think that's gonna be a problem.
And why is that?
Power cells drained. Initiate energy recovery subroutine.
Sensors indicate that those batteries are the source of Omega Supreme's rejuvenation.
Scanning. Decepticon intruders. Weapons engaging.
Weapons engaging? I thought we had this guy's meat!
Danger. Aboard Omega Supreme's tractor beam. Seek cover before he fully charges it.
Our weapons aren't doing anything to him!
Scans indicate that Omega Supreme's defensive barrier does not extend to his turrets. We can then target them.
Warning. Vulnerability in select subsystems.
Omega Supreme appears to be using the batteries to repair his turrets.
Decepticons, we must move quickly! Use Dark Energon on the core battery!
Systems powering up. New leader Optimus Prime identified. Omega Supreme. Grateful.
We're glad you're free, Omega Supreme. But I need you to open the Omega Gate immediately.
Systems weak. Repairs required.
Ratchet, do you copy? I need you here. Double time.
I'm on my way, Optimus, but it'll take me a few cycles to reach you.
Alert. Inbound Decepticons.
Good. I'm itching to blast somebody.
Now you're speaking my language, Ironhide!
I'm thrilled.
You heard him, Autobots. Get these defenses online. Cybertron, we can restore ourselves here.
Gate sequence 25% complete.
They won't give up that easily. Reload and power up before they come back.
Omega Gate sequence 50% complete.
All right, I've repaired Omega's line. More work before he can finish upgrading. Heads up.
Omega Gate sequence complete. Core entrance available.
Autobots, Omega is nearly battle ready. Hold that destroyer off just a little longer.
You heard him. Dig in.
Almost there. Just need a little more time.
Omega free. Omega.
I'll need to complete Omega's repairs at headquarters.
Thanks, Ratchet. We'll continue to the core without you.
Trypticon, I have the coordinates for Optimus Prime's exact location. Target him now!
Yes, Megatron. Zeroing in on coordinates now.
Did you hear that? One direct hit and Optimus is scrapped. Hurry!
Wait a second. Trypticon's a Cybertronian, right?
Yeah, so?
He must have a conversion cog. If we destroy it, he won't be able to stay online as a gun. He'll revert to his original form.
We don't even know what his original form is!
Maybe not, but anything is better than this. Great idea, Air Raid.
Lord Megatron, Optimus Prime's location is now target locked. Powering up for maximum impact.
They're gonna kill Prime! Move, move, move!
There! Blast it! Destroy the turrets!
Come on, blast it! We need to get out of here now! What's it changing into? We made it! Let's back the sky off!
You haven't defeated me, Autobots. You have only untethered your own destroyer.
What's it gonna take with this guy? Silverbolt! He's jetting straight for the planet!
Aim at his jetpacks! We're not finished with him yet!
Deploying healing charges! Just be near him when they detonate!
Silverbolt, jet fire! Autobots, Trypticon is about to attack. Be ready for anything.
You cannot escape from me.
Thank Primus. It worked.
You have defeated me, Autobots.
You've lost, Trypticon. Autobots, roll out!